Now try to answer the given questions. Question number 1. If a spoon of copper metal is placed in a solution of ferrous sulfate, the spoon of copper metal is placed in a solution of ferrous sulfate. Copper metal placed in a ferrous sulfate solution. Already we remind that formula PSBC mesentyl chop. PSBC mesentyl chop. We have two metal, one is copper, another one ferrous. Copper placed in chop, ferrous means iron present in mesentyl. So iron is more reactive than copper. Iron mesentyl is more reactive than chop. So iron is more reactive than copper. So copper is less reactive. Iron is more reactive. So in this case, iron is more reactive than copper. Copper is less reactive. So copper cannot displace iron from ferrous sulfate. So no reaction takes place. No reaction takes place. So answer is option 4. No reaction take place. Question number 2. Consider the following sets. First one, zinc rod placed in copper sulfate solution. Zinc rod immersed in copper sulfate solution. Second one, silver rod placed in copper sulfate solution. Third one, magnesium rod placed in copper sulfate solution. The blue color of copper sulfate solution changes to colorless in option A, B, C, D. Zinc rod immersed in copper sulfate solution. Zinc rod immersed in copper sulfate solution. Silver rod placed in copper sulfate solution. Magnesium rod placed in copper sulfate solution. In which case the blue color of copper sulfate solution has the color is blue. The blue color of copper sulfate solution changes to colorless. We remind that formula PSBC mesentyl chop. First case, zinc and copper sulfate. Zinc present in mesentyl. In first case, zinc present in mesentyl. C. Copper present in chop. So mesentyl is more reactive than chop. So zinc is more reactive metal than copper metal. In second case, silver present in chop, silver, and copper present in chop. So silver is less reactive than copper. Silver is less reactive than copper. In third case, magnesium and copper. Magnesium present in mesentyl and copper present in chop. So magnesium is more reactive than copper. Zinc rod placed in copper sulfate solution. Zinc placed in copper sulfate solution. So zinc is more reactive than copper. Zinc is more reactive than copper. So here the more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal easily. So zinc is displaced copper from copper sulfate solution. So we get the product as zinc sulfate and copper. So the copper displays from copper sulfate solution. So we get the product zinc sulfate and copper. Now the color changes from blue to colorless. So first case will change the color. In second case, silver is less reactive than copper. Silver is less reactive, copper is more reactive. Silver can displace copper from copper sulfate solution. So no reaction. In third case, magnesium rod is placed in copper sulfate solution. Magnesium metal present in mesintel. Copper metal present in chalk. Magnesium is more reactive than copper. So magnesium can easily displace copper from copper sulfate solution. Give the product as magnesium sulfate and copper. So the blue color of copper sulfate changed to colorless. In case 2, no color change will appear. In case 1 and 3, the blue color of copper sulfate solution changes to colorless. So the blue color of copper, our question is blue color of copper sulfate solution changes to colorless when given the options. So our answer is option D, 1 and 3. The third question, can a solution of copper sulfate be stored in option A, zinc part, option B, silver part? So question, the copper sulfate solution can stored in zinc or silver part. Already we remind that formula, PSBC, mesintil, chalk. First option A, zinc part in the copper sulfate solution in zinc part. Second option B, copper sulfate solution in copper sulfate solution in silver part. Zinc present in mesintil, copper in chalk. In first case, zinc more reactive than copper. Second case, silver present in chalk, the copper present in first place of chalk. So silver is less reactive than copper. The more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal easily. So zinc is more reactive metal. Zinc displaces the copper from copper sulfate solution easily. Give the product zinc sulfate and copper. So the color of copper sulfate changes to colorless. Here silver is less reactive than copper. So less reactive metal cannot displace the more reactive metal. So silver cannot displace copper from copper sulfate solution. So no reaction takes place. So the copper sulfate solution stored in zinc part, zinc displaces copper to give the zinc colorless solution. So it not used to store the copper sulfate solution in zinc part. Silver is less reactive metal. Silver cannot displace copper from copper sulfate solution. So we kept the copper sulfate solution in silver part. So answer is B, silver part. Thank you.